Is your CPU stuck at 100% while gaming, causing stutters, lag, and low FPS? Today, I'll show you how to stop 100% CPU usage and fix those annoying issues once and for all. These proven steps will help you boost FPS, reduce lag, and make your games run smoother than ever. So, stick around because you don't want to miss this. Step 1. Turn off power throttling in Windows. If you play games on a budget or low-end PC, you need to make sure your computer uses its full power. One of the things that can slow down your PC is a Windows setting called power throttling. To turn it off, press the Windows plus R keys at the same time. A small box called the Run dialog will open. Type gpedit.msc inside the box and press Enter. This will open a window called Local Group Policy Editor. On the left side, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System. Scroll down and find the folder called Power Management, then click it. Inside, look for power throttling settings and double-click it. A new box will appear. Find the setting that says Turn off power throttling and double-click it. Another window will open. Select the option Enabled. This will turn off power throttling so your CPU can always run at full performance. After this, click Apply, then OK and close everything. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Once done, your games will run smoother and you'll get better FPS. Step 2. Unlock all CPU cores for maximum performance. Press the Windows key and type System Configuration in the search bar. When it shows up, click on it. A window will open. At the top, click on the tab called Boot, then click the button called Advanced Options. A new window will appear. Look for the option number of processors and tick the box next to it. Then, click the drop-down menu below it and select the highest number available. This number shows how many cores your CPU has. By doing this, you make sure all CPU cores work together. This improves speed and smoothness, especially in games. After selecting the highest number, click OK, then Apply, and then OK again to close the window. Now, your CPU will always use all its cores, giving you higher FPS, smoother gameplay, and less lag. Step 3. Optimize Windows for best performance. To fix this, we'll turn them off so your CPU can focus on gaming. Click on the Windows search bar and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click the result. A window called Performance Options will open. Select Adjust for best performance. This will disable all extra visual effects. If you still want some effects, you can turn on these two. Smooth edges of screen fonts makes text easier to read. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Shows previews of images, videos instead of plain icons. After setting this, click Apply. Next, go to the Advanced tab in the same window. Under Processor Scheduling, choose Adjust for best performance of programs. This makes sure your CPU focuses more on your games instead of background apps. Finally, click OK. This will make your PC faster, reduce lag, and help games load and run smoother. Step 4. Use ParkControl to unlock CPU power. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. To make sure your CPU is always working at full strength, we'll use a free tool called ParkControl. First, download and install ParkControl. Open the program and look for the power plan settings. Choose BitSum highest performance to give your CPU full power. Now change the following settings. Parking AC, set to 100% and disable it. Parking DC, set to 100% and disable it. Frequency scaling AC, set to 100% and disable it. Frequency scaling DC, set to 100% and disable it. Next, find the option BitSum Dynamic Boost and turn it on. This makes your CPU save power during light tasks, but automatically switch to full power when gaming. After that, open Windows Power Options and select BitSum Highest Performance as the active plan. Make sure all CPU parking and frequency scaling are disabled, set to 100%. Then click Make Active and Apply. This will give your CPU maximum power during games and help reduce lag or stutter. Step 5. Free up CPU power with Titus. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Reduce CPU usage and remove background services. We'll use a tool called Titus Tech Utility. First, open the FPS Boost Pack and copy the special code inside the text file. Then, go to the Windows search bar, type PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, paste the code you copied and press Enter. This will open the Titus Tech Utility. Inside the tool, click on the tab called Tweaks. You will see two main presets. Minimal turns off only unnecessary features. Standard turns off more services for extra performance. Choose the one you prefer. Before changes, the tool will create a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. After selecting your preset, click Run Tweaks and wait. Then close the program. This will reduce background processes, lower CPU usage, and make your games run smoother. Step 6. Use the Optimizer tool to speed up Windows. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Another way to make Windows lighter and reduce CPU usage is by using the Optimizer tool. Open the tool and go to the General tab. In the System section, enable these. Optimize performance, show all notification icons, remove menu delay, optimize network, disable error reporting, disable compatibility assistant, and disable printer services. Also disable sticky keys and smart screen if you don't use them. Next, go to the App tab and enable everything for faster app performance. In the Privacy tab, turn everything on to stop Windows from collecting extra data. In the Disk Drive section, disable Superfetch and Hibernation to free up resources. For Windows 10 or 11, open the tab for your version. In the Gaming section, turn on Game Mode, but turn off Xbox Live and Game Bar. In the Privacy section, disable things like telemetry, Cortana, enhanced privacy, news and interests, smart menu ads, and edge features. Then go to the System tab and disable options like people, sensors, and virtualization-based security if you don't use them. Finally, in the Windows Update tab, you can choose to disable auto updates if you don't want updates running in the background. When finished, click Restart so all changes take effect. Step 7. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here you'll see apps that launch at startup. Right-click apps you don't need, like Spotify, Discord, or Adobe, and choose Disable. This will make your PC start faster and give more CPU power to your games. Step 8. Clean junk files with StorageSense. Open Windows Settings and search for StorageSense. Open it and turn it on. Under Configure Cleanup Schedules, set it to Run every day. Delete files in Recycle Bin after 14 days. Then click Run StorageSense now to clean your system immediately. This clears junk files, saves space, and helps your PC stay fast so games run smoothly. If this guide helped you fix high CPU usage in games, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy PC optimization tutorials.